Okay, here's an introduction to our graphical user interface using JOptionPane. This is an imported class, so you'll get to see how we can import a class into Java to use their predefined functionalities and methods. You'll also see how we can use the JOptionPane to put information from the user and how to use that information to format a string and display information using a dialog box. Let's go ahead and get started here. So first, we have our package, lesson 6, and we have our public class, which includes the public static void main. Up here where we're importing the package, we also want to import the JOptionPane class, so we're going to import javax.swing.jOptionPane. Now note that capitalization is important, so the J and the O must be capitalized, same with the P. So now that we've imported the class, you can see that it's saying right now it's unused, so it's not really relevant, but we can go ahead and ignore that because we are going to use it. So first, let's go ahead and create a dialog. So our dialog will be JOptionPane.show message dialog, and we'll include welcome to Java as our message. Okay, so it looks like I've incorrectly added the show message dialog, and what I've done is I've added the capital S where it should have been a lowercase s. Again, capitalization is important in Java. So let's go ahead and run this, and you'll see that I got a pop-up, welcome to Java. Okay, cool. So we got our little options panel there that came up. Just a basic graphical interface, but let's go ahead and ask the user what their name is, so that way we can customize it a little more to the user. So I want to declare it as a name. We're going to say it's a string, and we're going to ask them what their name is. So we'll create another JOptionPane dot, and this time we want to show, and you can see that we have a lot of pre-configured methods that we could use. Well, we want to show the input dialog, and here we have several options or different constructors that we can use. We just want to go with the basic object message. And for the arguments, we're going to put, what is your name? That will grab their name. So let's go ahead and run this. You'll see here it prompts me what my name is. Click OK, it says welcome to Java. Still not that customized, I want it to say my name. So we can format this a little more. We can say string the message that we're going to output is equal to, and we want to format a string as welcome to Java, and we're going to use the %s for a string, and the arguments we're going to put in as the name that we asked the user for. Now here, instead of saying welcome to Java, we're just going to type in our message. So let's go ahead and run that. It says what is your name, so I'll enter my name, and here we have welcome to Java Tyler. So it was just a basic prompt that we pulled from JOptionPane. There are other constructors that you can use. If you'd like more information, you can go ahead and Google the JOptionPane class and pull more information about that.